Sunday, just got back from camping with Cub Scouts, and then what else? Went mountain biking with the kids this afternoon, and now working on my list. So got a ton of stuff to get ready for 24 Hours of Appalachia. This is the idler tensioner pulley, my 99 XJ. When they originally sent me this, I want to say this one's like 63 millimeters, and then there's a 75 millimeter, basically two different diameters. For some reason, my model came with the bigger one. This worked for a while, but the tensioner on the belt was all the way at the end of its extent. So we got a new one of those on. That is the newer, bigger plug. Putting another new alternator in. It's got a new set of plugs. Did dielectric grease on all the electrical connectors that I could get to, all the sensors on the computer in an attempt to keep water out. And we're going to be doing a repair on the battery box probably today too. There we go. Alright, so this is a Rock Auto 117 amp. Compare some things here. Plug, terminal all look the same, shielding looks the same. Man, bolt really got me. Pulley's good, mounting configuration looks good. So I think these two are good to go in. So this is still a good alternator. It's just, it's got some busted fins. Busted fins there, and it was a junkyard unit. So with splashing through the water, I'm going to take that one as a spare on 24 Hours of Appalachia, and this will be a good one. So hopefully that means we don't have any charging issues. I debated going ahead and doing the, I think there's like a Durango. There's another Chrysler alternator that you can put in here that's got like 170 amps versus the 117. And I just didn't feel like I had time to do that properly. So, man, I built back on while battery box is out of the way. It just makes it a little easier. This belt is new. I got another one as a spare for the trip. So with the bigger pulley, I'm having to loosen the tensioner a lot from where it was at, which is good, because my concern with the other pulley was I was near the, even with the brand new belt, I was almost out of tensioning travel. So with this, even if the belt stretches, I should still be able to tension it. Alternator's in, belt is on. XJs have the belt routing there. Alright, so now I need to address tabs being broke off on this. I've seen some companies, if it's rough stuff or not, make a replacement for this, which is an option. Debating if I just want to go all metal. It's probably more of a project that I'm looking for right now. So that's what we came up with to replace the broken off tab. Flat side of the rivets on the inside. Part that flares out is on the steel side so it doesn't crack.
So, let's go to the quick top. Are you ready to jump? Right, you press ragdoll. 3, 4. Oh my god!
Alright, so that is everything for tonight. Remember, like, subscribe, really helps me out a ton. And remember, we got this 24 Hours of Appalachia event coming up. Be awesome if you guys could follow along. It's for a good cause. Does a great thing for small town Appalachia. And I think we're raising money for a scholarship fund. So I'll see you for the next update.